Hi you guys, welcome back to my thing. I am gonna be posting this video on YouTube. So today basically what I'm gonna do, I'm like cooking, you know what I'm saying? Everybody cook different. So what I do in my tutorial, you might not do it. Don't come for me, okay? Because I'm not the one. But today, girl, we're gonna cook some white rice with corned beef. Corned beef. This is corned beef. It's salty, but a lot of sodium is in it. So whatever you're making, don't put salt in it, like, yeah. But some people put, I like, okay, so some people like macaroni in their corned beef. Some people like, myself, I like baked bean. Like, yes, I love baked bean. You know, I have my hot on because my hair is looking busted underneath, but that's besides the point, girl. So yeah, corned beef with some white rice. So do you want macaroni or butter baked bean? So we're cooking macaroni. So bam. So for my rice, I am actually boiling some water already. I'm gonna put some scallion and some pimento seed with a tip of salt in my water. So I could put this pot over here. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my rice and stuff. Okay, you guys, so I have 2 sticks of scallion here for my rice. I'm just gonna cut off these parts and I'm gonna wash it. And then I'm gonna use a couple pimento seed. I put it in this mason jar. Couple pimento seed in the rice also with a pinch of salt and some butter. Not sure how much the measurement is, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm just pouring my rice and I'm making sure I get everything out of the basin, and I'm just pouring in everything. You're a rascal, man. Cho. So you see all of this have to come out. My sister used to say, oh, you could leave this in here because that's gonna be your share. Yes, you guys. You're that there. Okay, you're done. Okay, you guys, so I'm just cutting up or preparing these for the macaroni. And I'm just taking out all of them as you can. And I am gonna wash them, okay? And a pepper, I forgot to name. So I have some thyme, some dry thyme. I have a half an onion. When you want a lot of onion, right? You could answer, you know? Yeah. I have sweet pepper, imitated Scotch bonnet pepper from Walmart. I didn't find any normal tomato, so I purchased the grape tomato. And of course, garlic. And then I will be using some pimento seeds. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these so I can chop them up. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna start with the garlic. By the way, this mat that I'm using, I got it from IKEA. It's 2 in a pack for $1.96. Love it. You could put hot pots on it. Really convenient. So I'm just breaking the garlics first, then I'm going to chop them up. Then for my pepper, I'm just gonna couple like that. For the tomato, I'm just gonna split it in a two. Cut in a two. Half for me and half for you. You know that song, my friends? Yeah, show me? Yeah. Don't put me in the video. Look, then for the onion, just chopping the shell. Wait, do not one at a time. I need to sharpen these knives because, you know, they're a little bit dull. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wash a piece of thyme, not a lot. Like back home you could pick some fresh thyme, it will be so fresh and strong. So I'm just gonna use like 2 sticks of bush. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it right now. Hold on, let me put it there so I can close this. So for the pimento seed, this much is perfectly fine. I'm gonna wash them. So I'm gonna start with the macaroni. I'm gonna use some Elba macaroni. Then I'm going to boil those. Keep checking on the rice. When the macaronis are actually cooked, I am going to start with the actual corned beef. Okay. Okay, so this rice is jasmine rice that I pick up from Sam's Club. It's long rice. Me and long rice, we're not friends, like, period. Me and long rice are not friends, but you know, I actually pay for it, so I have to use it. So that's what I am doing. So I'm just turning down the stove really low so the rice could steam, okay? So for the macaroni, I'm gonna tip a little bit of oil so they don't stick together. I didn't put any salt in the water. I didn't put any salt in the water. Okay, you guys, so this is how my rice is looking. So basically it has steamed. So now you can either use plastic bag or file paper. See, through me a file paper, today I'm gonna use file paper. Cover it and turn the pot down even lower. Pan it lower. See? I have my stuff here. Macaroni is cooked. And I have my pot that is eating up over there. So I'm just going to dip a little oil. Vegetable oil. It doesn't matter. Oil is oil. I don't see the big deal or the fuss. I don't get the difference. Even though they say some is healthier than some. But girl, I ain't over here trying to eat healthy. But whatever. So yeah. This much oil should be enough. Yep. When that actually warms up, I will be throwing in my seasoning in it and give them a little bit of stir and have them, what you call it? The word is
cook.
Not cook. There's an actual name. Oh my god. I don't know what it is. What is it called?
Fry.
Not fry. It's like fry. So I put the corned beef in at this point. I'm just going to kind of smush it out a bit. Because you know it did in the can. So I'm just going to smush it out till everything is all smooshed. Then I'm just going to stir it repeatedly until it get that nice color. Yeah, good day. So you really don't want to put a lot of oil in it. Because you know the beef have oil, well, fat on it already. And it's going to spring a little bit of oil. Then when everything get it color, the oil going to drag out. So personally, I do not like cooking with a lot of oil. Because, So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm gonna put some black pepper on it. Then I'll be putting in the macaroni. You guys, look how shelly my rice is. Like, look how shelly. Mind you, I didn't put any salt in my rice because I know the corned beef is going to be salty. So I'm just gonna turn out the rice pot, put back the file paper over it, and wait. So right here you can see corned beef finish up. What is name again? Macaroni there, so I wait. One back macaroni, wow. Just mixing everything together. Normally like using the smaller macaroni. Thank you. Yeah. Want the black pepper for it, please? So yeah, I'm just gonna pour some black pepper over this. Take them off? Okay. And then I'm just gonna stir it out. Alright, you guys, so once this
give this about 5 more minutes. So as I was saying, I'm just gonna keep stirring it for like 5 minutes, and then everything will be done. So I'm just gonna share everything so you guys could see what it looks like for the final result. So bye. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Yeah, very nice, easy, simple.